What's wrong with these?
Na, magmumura ka?
Pumps.
Oh, look at that. Ang laki, oh. It's like a mansion.
It is a yeah, they are mansions.
It's
They're
mansion.
huge.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody! We're gonna go to North Carolina again, guys. Mag-ano lang kami ni Travis kasi maggagawa kami ng video para sa channel niya, no? And we're going, all the family, including Ellie. She's very sleepy. So, kaya kami pupunta ng North Carolina kasi yun lang yung malapit dito. Dapat magbubundok kami. Kaso, yung mga friends namin, may pasok sila. Kasi ano ngayon? Tuesday. So, Monday, Tuesday, nag-take ng day off si Travis. And ako, Monday, Tuesday talaga, off ko talaga, no? Sa work. So, kaya nagplan na lang din kami ng ano, para meron kaming gawin ngayon araw. Pupunta kami doon. And, sasama namin kayo, guys! Kota ka na sa North Carolina, Ellie. No. Pupunta na naman tayo doon, Eliana. Pupunta na naman tayo doon, B. Pupunta na naman tayo doon. Yeah. Yeah, that's Mommy's sunglasses. You like Mommy's sunglasses? Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Wawa. Nag-stop muna kami kasi magpapagas si Travis. Kasi medyo mura yung gas dito. 2.7 ata. $2.70. Ayan, kasi madalas $3 eh, no? $2.70, babe.
It says the pump is not available for fueling.
So we have to go to another, ano?
What's wrong with these?
Na, magmumura ka?
Pumps.
Pigilan niyang hindi magana eh. Sabi ko sa kanya, kasi 'di ba dito, 'di ba madalas sa mga Amerikano, lalo na kapag nakalakihan talaga nila na panay ano. Ayun, ang hirap daw tanggalin sa kanila na yung magmura, ganun. Kaya sabi ko bawasan mo kahit papaano. Kung ayaw mo tanggalin talaga, bawasan mo muna kasi ngayong anak mo baka marinig niya, ganun. No, she just, ano? I didn't wake. Look, tignan mo yung buhok ni Kinsley, oh. Ang dami pa din kahit nilinis niya na binacuum. Everywhere talaga. Yeah, favorite toy mo na yan. Binili ko kahapon. Oh, look at you, lalab. Bumibilog ka na. Bumibilog ka na. What are you gonna get us?
I don't know. You didn't want nothing. Go back.
Okay.
Here, lock the door.
Hi. Babe, surprise me. Sabi ko sa kanya, surprise me. Ibig sabihin nun, i-surprise mo na lang ako kung anong bibilin mo para sa akin. Alam niya na kung anong bibilin niya. Daming tao ngayon na, kahit ano. Ay, sabagay, Tuesday pa lang ngayon. Tuwa ako kasi gusto ni Ellie yung laruan na binili ko sa kanya kahapon. Hala, nawawala na yung acne, ano ko, oh. Ang ginagamit ko kasi yung acne wash, yung Panoxyl ba yun? Tapos, ano, vitamin C. Diba? Nakaka-clear din talaga siya ng muka. Pero kailangan consistent ka. Makikita mo, nandyan pa din yung ano ko. Makikita nyo, yan pa rin, oh. Diba? Nandyan pa din yung dark spots ko na hindi talaga matanggal-tanggal. Mahirap tanggalin. Pero okay na rin kasi hindi ako nagagamit ng ano ng mga kung ano-ano na. Ginagamit ko yung pang-acne lang talaga na kung saan ako hiyang kasi ayoko magkaroon ulit ng maraming acne. Naranasan ko na magkaroon ng maraming acne. So kung saan ako humiyang, dun lang talaga ako na nag-stick na, no. Although may mga brand na gusto makipag-collab sa amin sa TikTok, hindi ko na inaani iba kasi tinatry ko lang, katulad ng vitamin C, tinry ko kasi okay naman ang vitamin C na zero mayon, meron akong isang inano. Tapos, madalas na ina-accept kong collaboration yung mga lip tint, ganyan, lipstick, ayun. Pero sa mukha, hindi masyado kasi ayokong maglalagay ng iba-ibang ano sa mukha ko kasi nga kung syempre, kapag ka nakipag-collaborate ka, syempre, kailangan gamitin mo yung product para naman maano sila, kumbaga, maano nila, ano man tawag niyan? Ma-convince sila na ginagamit mo talaga yung product. Kasi, May iba 'di ba na hindi na ginagamit pero ini-endorse pa rin nila, which is not good kasi nga parang niloloko mo lang yung tao, 'di ba? Mas maganda yung ginagamit nyo ganyan tapos ano, tawag nito pag ini-endorse nyo para makita nyo yung result sa sarili nyo at saka para maano nyo sa iba, yung ma-share nyo talaga sa iba kasi nakita nyo yung result sa sarili nyo. Anyway, so ayun. Niantay namin ng daddy niya and then meron pa kaming 1 hour and 30 minutes, 35 minutes drive ata papunta dun sa North Carolina. Nagmuryot na kasi gusto niya yan lagi yung pag nag-stop kami, iyak siya. Gusto niya laging dire-diretso talaga yung biyahe namin. Busog naman siya and tumae rin siya. Palitan namin siya. Ayaw niya yung nakastop. What did you get, babe?
You got you a coffee
Nice.
with some double
What?
double bacon.
Oh. Yeah. Are we eating first or?
I'm gonna drive and then we'll just kind of eat as we go.
Okay. So meron pa pala kaming $1.48.
$1.
Ay, $1. An hour and 48 minutes.
$1.
Mukhang pera.
I wish it was $1. Actually, I got a pretty good deal. Everything was only $2.
Hey, someone is ringing in our doorbell. Let me check.
Oh yeah, it's True Green.
Oh, True Green? Okay.
Mhm.
Kids is probably barking.
Oh, she's probably freaking out. Yeah.
So, meron pa tayong 1 hour and 47 minutes bago makarating. Dito na naman tayo sa bridge, guys. Ito yung palagi naming dinadaanan kapag pupunta kami ng North Carolina. Mahaba to siya. How many, is this, Is this like a mile?
The bridge?
Uh-huh.
Probably 3.
3 miles? Ayan.
Slow down here.
Madaming pulis dito sa nadadaanan namin.
There's always a lot of-
Papuntang North
a
Carolina.
lot of coppers around these parts.
Mhm. And they will really
See
pull.
my CR2 over there?
You're zero too. Ganda ng araw ngayon, guys. It's good for to go out.
Yeah. Travel. We weren't doing anything else.
Yeah, kasi sa bahay lang kami. Sabi namin ni Travis, punta tayo sa North Carolina. Since malapit lang sa amin. 2 hours ang drive, pero
Not too bad.
kesa naman mamundok kami, 4 hours ang drive. And the road right now is not busy. Usually it's busy, like especially like weekends, right?
Oh yeah.
Namo, medyo malinis ngayon yung daan. Kasi
Weekends
Tuesday
are really
ngayon.
bad.
Ayan. Kitty Hawk.
That's why I figured the beach maybe wouldn't be as busy today because it's a weekday.
Right.
So maybe a good time to hit it.
Madami lang talagang traffic lights dito. Tingnan mo, another traffic light na naman. Hi guys! So malapit na tayo, mag-air down kami. Meron na lang tayong 28 minutes. Pero kasi 35 lang yung speed limit dito. Kaya kailangan naming mag-slow down. Kasi ang dami din ditong mga taong tumatawid. Ang dami din ditong pulis. Kaya pwede ka nilang tikitan pag nag-speed ka dito. Maganda dito yung mga view. Makikita nyo yung mga cottage. Ayan yung mga cottage na yan. Nadami. Kanina may mga nadaanan kami, hindi ko na na-vlog eh. Maganda yung daanan dito. Kasi para talaga siyang vacation, Ayan yung mga cottage yan, rental siya. Cottage. Kasi sa pinakadulo, yun na yung dagat. Tapos sa may gilid, ayan, tulad niyan.
It's nice.
May dagat. So kapag nag-rent sila ng cottage, di ba? Kung gusto nila maligo, pwede lang silang
jet
pumunta
ski
sa
rental.
likod. Yeah,
Jet
look at
skis,
that.
let's go. I'll just keep Ellie on my chest.
No. Ocean Pines. I think they also have like here, private pool. Diba?
Probably. In some of the resorts, they probably
Yeah.
definitely
I think they have
do.
some here. Ooh. She's ripped.
Abs.
Her abs, yeah.
She probably doesn't have a kid.
Probably. It's hard to maintain your abs when you have a kid now. I mean, you can. It just it takes a lot of work.
Yeah, it stretches, you know.
Yeah.
So it's hard to get.
You have to remove that mommy pouch first before you tone your belly again. Diba? Ang ganda. Nakaka-relax. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung view dito papunta doon sa pupuntahan namin. Medyo mahaba pang drive namin. 26 minutes pa. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng mga cottage dito. Oh,
We'd be there a lot
parang
faster if we could do
mansion.
55.
Diba? Parang mga mansion. Sabi ni Travis, mga it cost $1 million daw yung mga ganyan.
Oh yeah.
$1 million, no?
Oh, probably.
Kasi
million.
nasa, because they're close to
It's very expensive here.
Tsaka maganda yung...
One of these houses probably goes for probably between 1 to 3 million.
Really?
US,
Wow.
yeah.
That's expensive.
Look where it's at.
Yeah,
You
beautiful.
walk out your front porch and you're on the beach.
Yeah. And dito na tayo. Ayan pa, ang dami pang mga cottage, oh. Maganda. Makikita nyo. Ang sarap mag-drive dito kasi ang daming magagandang view. Tapos makikita nyo yung mga malalaking cottage. Tapos meron sila iba-ibang mga dito. Madami nga lang talagang tao. Kala namin hindi busy kasi nga Tuesday. Kasi pag weekend sobrang busy. And then 10 minutes na lang papunta dun sa may dagat. Mukha lang matagal kasi mabagal kami. Because we're slow, driving
we
slow.
didn't make too bad a time.
Yeah.
We left at 9.
And it's only
10. It's 11:40, but
43.
we stopped for 30 or 40 minutes at the gas station because of Ellie.
right.
Went to the bathroom,
It's been
we
a day
fed
because
her,
of
we
Ellie.
changed her.
Diba?
It's not far up here. We'll pull off
Yeah.
to the side and we'll do our hair down and everything.
Ayun, may maganda pang cottage dun. Ay, ang ganda. Diba?
There's a pool, I think, here. Yep, that's a pool.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a
Really?
big pool. Yep.
nice. Masarap tumira dito sa North Carolina kasi country. We were looking some houses here but it's kind of far from base.
Super far.
Oh, look at that. Ang laki, oh. It's like a mansion.
It is a yeah. They are mansions.
It's a
They're
mansion.
huge.
Yeah.
Very wealthy people,
Yeah.
or family hand-me-downs. One of the two.
Yeah.
Is this? That's not. That's not. Ours is up a little further.
You mean the air down
Yeah, it's up a little
station?
further.
You know, look at
Look
that.
at these houses.
Look at the houses. Diba? Ang gaganda. Wow. Tignan nyo, may lighthouse nga pala dito. Hindi pa kami nakaakyat dyan. Pero free naman. Pwede kaming pumunta. Kaso may Ellie nga lang kami na nasa sasakyan. Ayan. Diba? Nag-air down na kami, tapos pupunta na kami sa may beach. Okay, guys.
Look up the Corolla directional map.
Lapit na tayo, guys. Nagmuryot si Ellie kaya nag-stop kami.
Calm down, Ellie. Where's she going?
Dito na tayo. Ito na ang entrance.
I realized that was so fucking big.
Matikitan ka.
There's a deep hole right there. Oh, nice. Look.
Yeah. So we don't need that, no?
No, not to drive.
Okay. Dami naliligo. Alright. Gusto to ni Ellie, tignan mo itong
But the
hinto.
sheriff is out and about.
Right.
Pretty sure these guys are driving. Like, that's right. And we should just be following this guy, these guys right here.
I think it's the same sheriff o ano. Oh, is that high tide?
Uh-huh.
It's not good to swim right now. Nung nakaraan may nakita kami dito horses. I don't know if today lalabas sila.
We are, this though is just, I'm in two-wheel drive.
Are you sure we can just drive?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Passes are only required to park. Wow. There's nobody. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot of people.
Yeah.
I think that you can't camp until you're there. Oh no.
Yeah, they're messing around too. Ang haba nito guys na dinadrive namin. Oh, diba? Ang dami naliligo ngayon guys. Look. Pero high tide. Nalaro sila cornhole. Ang pangat maligo pag high tide kay ano. Cute ng tent nila, oh. Mas malakas pa ka mo minsan ng alon. Baka isa na dyan mga afam niya, Beshi, oh. Sarat! Mahaba tong drive na to, eh. Ganda pa sa may dulo. Bawal kami mag-stop kasi bawal daw mag-stop sa
We'll
may
stop up here by the
Yeah.
big house.
Kung makita lang nila yung dagat sa atin sa Pinas, no? Malilinaw. Madalas malilinaw. Dito, parang wala pa ako masyadong nakitang...
This is why there are sold out of passes. There's a lot of people here. A lot of people here from Monday.
Right. Today is Tuesday.
Or for
Oh,
Tuesday.
look at that. Same like our Rubicon.
What are these people doing?
You have to wait. Oh, they're gonna park. Nakakatawa kasi bumpy.
It's freaking. Oh, look at the
The what? What?
The truck behind us is look at him go through it. He's just bashing it, man. He's just smashing it. Oh, that poor Tacoma behind us, man. He just crossed over like I was doing with Ellie. No wonder why she's shooken up, because shit is rough, dude.
Oh, you mean the ano? Ellie loves this. When she was in my tummy, she's always it's shaking her. Nag-video kami saglit, lumabas ako saglit para lang kuhaan ng video. Hindi kami magstay sa dagat kasi wala rin kami balak talaga maligo. Si Ellie nawiwili sa ano niya, laruan niya.
Just speed it up, too.
Alright guys, palabas na kami. Medyo bumpy na kasi yun o yung buhangin. Medyo deep. Ayan. Maaraw pa din. Maganda yung araw ngayon. Ang dami nang nahuli ng pulis.
Yeah,
The cop.
tons of cops,
Yeah.
man.
Ala, ang daming pulis dito.
How annoying,
Ay, hindi
yeah.
rin kami makaano. tawag nito, video ng medyo matagal. Parang, wala namang problema sana, pero we just wanna be careful. Kasi titikitan ka nila pag ganun.
I mean, we're not doing anything wrong. It's just
Yeah.
we kind of wanted to mess around, but
Right.
it's hard to do that when you got cops on like every quarter mile. There's a cop. Like, can't even,
Yeah.
and they're looking to make money for the city, you know.
So anyway, mag-air up na kami doon sa kaninang pinuntahan namin. Hi guys! So pauwi na po kami. Napadede na namin si Ellie. So busog na siya. Okay na siya for 2 hours drive. 2 hours drive pa uwi. And sana hindi traffic. So did you enjoy babe? Today's
Yeah, we had a
gala?
good time. It was fun.
Yes. Hindi siya super init ngayon kasi maganda yung weather. The weather is really nice. It's not super hot.
Yeah.
It's not so hot. Okay, so yun lang guys ang vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin ngayong araw. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye!